One of the best limiters out there is the one from TC Electronic, which is included in the MD3 bundle. I love it. However, for this course, I'm going to use the limiter in Pro Tools, called Maxim, just to show you that you can achieve good results with the tools you already have. On the other hand, I recommend you to invest in a good limiter because it is the last processor on your chain. And if it is not one of a very good quality, all of your work you put in your mix and your production so far will be lost. It is recommended that you send your mix to a mastering engineer, but there are lots of reasons we don't do it. Maybe we want to learn the craft, or we don't have the money for, or we do have it but choose to invest in other stuff. Whatever the reason, you should not be afraid of mastering. You could already do a decent mastering with what you have by following some general rules. One of these rules is to listen to the mix as a whole and ask yourself some questions like, what does this mix need? How can I improve it? Or does it need more lows? Is it muddy? Is it too bright? Is there enough punch? A quick tip, listen to your reference tracks and you'll have your answers faster. Now let's get back to our mix. Whenever I set a limiter, I set the ceiling or the point from where audio won't pass above at least at -1 dB. This is another habit you have because nowadays we distribute our songs on radio, but also online, where there are different streaming platforms with their encoders. So basically, it means that your song will be encoded again by the platform you are choosing to stream your song on. After this platform is finished encoding, your song may clip. Your song may clip if you set the ceiling of your brick wall limiter at, let's say, -0.1 or even -0.5 dBs. I found that a -1 dB of ceiling is safe for most of the platforms out there. What about the levels? We all know about the level wars. Even today, there are still songs produced being squashed and overcompressed. However, a safe level for mastering your song is at a -12 dBs RMS. Also, nowadays, lots of streaming platforms analyze your songs in terms of LUFS. They say that at the moment, YouTube has a -12 LUFS limit. So if your song is above this level, they will bring down the volume. So there is no point in overcompressing your masters. Of course, you can create different masters with different levels. It's up to you.